There you go.
Thank you.
Alright. Hi everybody.
Hello.
Welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to be talking about the types of jobs in Canada. So this we've thought as a series of how to get a job in Canada. The first one of that is something that we released last week, and the link is here so you can go watch it. But today we're going to be talking in the second part of the series about what types of jobs are there in Canada. So let's get started. If you're new to our channel, guys, please do subscribe because this is going to be a series like we mentioned. So ये videos about jobs and everything are going to be super important. तो अगर आपको और updates चाहिए तो please hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. Okay, broadly, like any other country, there is part-time job in Canada and then there's full-time jobs.
So basically, any job which is less than 30 hours in a week is considered as a part-time job, and anything which is more than 30 hours is a full-time job.
Specific to Canada, यहाँ पे दो टाइप के major and very popular jobs होते हैं. एक होता है contractual, right?
Contractual job.
Okay, so contractual jobs and permanent jobs. So contractual jobs होती हैं जहाँ पे आपको एक specific contract है for a specific amount of time. जैसे अब किसी ने बोल दिया कि 6 महीने का job का contract है. So that's a contractual job.
Right.
At the end of 6 months, what happens?
So basically it depends. So mostly क्या होता है कि contract jobs में आपको किसी project के लिए लिया जाता है और एक short term के लिए लिया जाता है companies के through. So वो contract होता है जिसका एक end date होता है. Usually end date के बाद if the project will end, it all depends on the company if they want to extend the contract or not. Otherwise वो लोग आपका contract extend भी कर सकते हैं अगर project extend होता है. Otherwise they will end the contract or they might hire someone else.
और परमानेंट जॉब्स होती हैं जिनमें कोई एंड डेट नहीं होता. अब जैसे हमारे इंडिया में जॉब्स होती थी, राइट? सो हमारे जॉब्स में कोई कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल एंड डेट नहीं लिखा होता था. ये लिखा होता था कि आपका स्टार्टिंग डेट इज दिस. So after that, it's on the discretion of the company. Mostly, you're hired on the payroll. It's all, like it is in any other country. So that is the benefit of a permanent job. The first and the very foremost benefit is कि आपको कोई एंड डेट नहीं है. आप श्योर हो सकते हैं कि अगर ये जॉब है मेरे पास, सो अंडर अनफोर्सीन सर्कमस्टांसेस, उसके अलावा ये मेरी जॉब परमानेंट है एंड इट वोंट गो एनीवेयर.
Right.
Alright, let's talk about salaries now. कि क्या differences हैं majorly. So for a permanent role, you are hired on a yearly compensation. तो जैसे back home होता था इंडिया में हमारे कि you get an annual package and उस annual package के हिसाब से they pay you based on monthly or fortnightly, whichever their pay cycle is. And as far as deductions go, आपके permanent job में आपके सारे deductions employer करके देगा. So all your taxes, all your employment insurances, all your medical insurance maybe. So all of that is deducted from your salary and you get the net salary in your hand.
Contract job में आपका package नहीं होता है. It's not like you get any annual package or something. It's on hourly basis. So mostly contract jobs hourly rates पे होते हैं. So whenever you get a chance or you get a call, you will know. The recruiter will ask you about your hourly, how much you want to get paid in per hour. So यहाँ पे कोई भी type के deductions नहीं होते. Not even employee deductions, insurance deduction, anything.
So permanent job में ये आपको एक फायदा है, although no job is secure, let me tell you that. And here every job has the 2-week notice period. Most of it, and that's about it. So 2 weeks to the company to lay you off, 2 weeks for you to go. So सेंस ऑफ सिक्योरिटी ऑल्दो परमानेंट जॉब में ज़्यादा होती है. आपको ये नहीं लगता कि 6 महीने बाद मुझे वापस से एक जॉब ढूंढनी पड़ेगी या 1 ईयर बाद जब मेरा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एंड होगा तब क्या होगा. तो ये अनसर्टेनिटी थोड़ी सी कम होती है इन अ परमानेंट जॉब. The other benefit and the biggest benefit is आपको आपकी कंपनी से काफ़ी benefits मिलते हैं. So say you have the employment insurance which gets directly deducted, but उसके ऊपर medical insurance, so your dental and your eye, which is not covered in OHIP, that is covered by your company under subsidized rates. So that is one benefit. The other thing I think is as a female employee, अगर मुझे maternity leaves चाहिए, अगर मुझे ये सब चीज़ें चाहिए, तो वो benefits भी काफ़ी होते हैं in a permanent job. So that is what I feel is the benefit of a permanent job. Now, the disadvantages which I feel and personally think are there is you get paid a little less. So that is the thing. You might feel like you have to work over hours, but ये over hours की कोई payment नहीं होती. So in that case, it is a little disadvantageous in that case. एक और benefits जो मैं आपको बताना भूल गई वो ये है कि if you go to a lender, if you go to get your bank loan or something, then in that case a permanent job is highly regarded. तो आपके chances of getting a loan would be higher in case that you have a permanent job.
So if you talk about contract jobs, so contract job में सबसे best part ये होता है about your salary. So as you know कि यहाँ पे contract job में per hour आपको pay होता है. So eventually you will get paid more अगर आप ज़्यादा काम करते हो. So even if your permanent job अगर आप 8 hours से ज़्यादा stretch करते हो, you will not get paid for that. So on in terms of payment also, like if you divide your salary and if you try to calculate your hourly payment in permanent job, you will get paid less in comparison to the contract jobs. So for example, let's say if as a developer you are getting $45 per hour in your permanent job, so there are high chances that you will get around $60 per hour in permanent job,
which is a lot of difference.
right? And this is the best benefit why people will choose the contract jobs. और यहाँ पे Canada में is very common to get to have a contract jobs. You will see a lot of people working as a contractors. So it's good, it's benefit for both, like it's for the employer also because they don't have to provide you any kind of benefits, and it's for good for you because you're getting more paid. So this is one of the best advantage I can say. And the other advantage you can say is it's kind of your business because mostly यहाँ पे जो भी contract jobs होते हैं you have to incorporate yourself as a company. So it's the one time process whenever you come. अगर आपको कोई contract job मिलता है, so you have to incorporate yourself as an organization or a company. And then आप कंपनी की तरह वर्क करते हो जिसके अंदर एम्प्लॉय विल नॉट बी responsible for giving you any kind of benefits, and you will be the sole responsible for managing everything. So this is the one most best advantage. The second best advantage is your taxes. So यहाँ पे taxes में जैसे आपको पता है कि कनाडा में taxes काफ़ी high है. Mostly 25 to 30% tax deduct होता है in a permanent job. In terms of corporation, आपका taxes थोड़े कम कटेंगे because there are a lot of things you can deduct, like your expenses to go to office, your electricity bill, your office charges and everything. So eventually आप as a contractor आप taxes कम पे करते हो. So even if you are getting $60, but still you will not be paying 25 or 30% tax. So this is one of the best advantages in terms of contract jobs.
Which means you end up saving more. So if you are looking for that, then I think a contractual job is the best for you.
Right. So and secondly, if you talk about disadvantages, the only disadvantage is what Sapna said कि आपको कोई आपको पता है कि if contract ends in 6 months or a year, आपको फिर से एक जॉब ढूंढना पड़ेगा and then you start again looking for a job. So इसमें एक uncertainty रहती है कि even after a year you will start feeling okay, I still have to get up to the market, go and do this whole process again. But yeah, in some job roles, especially in IT, I think it's good to have a contract jobs because in IT you will get paid more. Also, there are high chances that you will get a job very easily when you want to switch.
Yep. Also, I feel there are a lot of possibilities that your contract job might turn into a permanent role at the end of your contract. तो ये भी काफी बार होता है यहाँ पे where the employer wants to kind of test you, right, and they want to become more comfortable with your abilities. तो वो starting में आपको contractual job देंगे, but हो सकता है कि वो contract permanent job में switch हो जाए या वो extend हो जाए. So वो possibilities भी होते हैं. So please talk to your HR when you are going in for any interview.
Right. And talking about disadvantage, so the main again the another disadvantage what I can think of is a layoff in the organization or anything. The contractual employees सबसे ज़्यादा risk में रहते हैं because वो सबसे पहले वो लोग contract jobs को निकालते हैं जो contract पे employees, and then they'll start doing a layoff on permanent roles. So there are high chances कि contract jobs layoffs के time पे थोड़े risky रहते हैं, which is true कि आपको permanent job में थोड़ा सा sense of security feel होगा. There will be no holidays, like in permanent job you will get certain types of like 20-30 holidays, 40 holidays. In some companies there are flexible holidays as well. But in In contract jobs, आप जिस दिन काम नहीं करोगे, you will not get paid for that day.
So there's no paid leaves जो
Right.
हमारे पास होती है ना permanent job. You don't get that. If you don't work for that day, आप उस दिन पे नहीं मिलेगा आपको उस दिन का. Yeah, so basically मोटी बात ये है कि security थोड़ी कम है, और अगर आप comfortable ho, you know, every time to go into the market and give these interviews, and if you're confident enough, there's nothing stopping you from getting paid more in a contractual job. So this brings us to our recommendation and what we would advise you guys. Obviously हमारे एक्सपीरियंस लिमिटेड है, बट हमने जो सुना है और हमने जो देखा है उस हिसाब से हमें ये लगता है कि एक कपल यहाँ आ रहे हैं इन कनाडा, तो दोनों में से एक कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल जॉब कर सकता है और दूसरे को परमानेंट जॉब करनी चाहिए. अब इसके रीजंस हैं कि अगर एक, जैसे अब सपोज अक्षय परमानेंट जॉब कर रहा है, तो अक्षय की कंपनी उसको सारे बेनिफिट्स देंगी, which in turn also means कि वो बेनिफिट अक्षय मुझे एक्सटेंड कर सकता है एज अ फैमिली. So he can include me in his insurance, medical insurance, and any other things. So there is a job security, plus I get the benefits that Akshay gets. So that we are covered with. And अगर मैं contractual job करूँ, तो then I have the possibility of earning more, which means that okay, you know, we are getting more pay into the household. और एक जो एडवाइस हम आपको दे सकते हैं वो ये है कि अगर आपको लगता है कि मार्केट में अक्षय के जॉब रोल ज़्यादा हैं, जैसे कि आज की तारीख में है, राइट. सो अक्षय इज़ अ डेवलपर एंड आई एम अ बिजनेस एनालिस्ट. सो अब इसमें होता क्या है कि हर मार्केट में डेवलपर्स की जॉब ज़्यादा होंगी इन नंबर्स, एंड बिजनेस एनालिस्ट की जॉब कम होंगी. तो इन दैट केस इट्स प्रेफरेबल कि जिसकी कम जॉब्स हैं मार्केट में वो परमानेंट जॉब ले ले. So in that sense, I would be better off taking a permanent job, and Akshay would be better off taking a contractual job, because developers को जल्दी jobs मिल जाती हैं and they're high in demand. So that would be our recommendation to you. Thank you everybody for watching our video, and I hope this has helped you. If this has helped you, please do give us a thumbs up so that we know okay आपको अच्छी लग रही हैं ये videos. And if you don't like it, we don't mind. Give us a thumbs down so that we also know your feedback through that.
If you have any questions, just let us know in the comment section. We'll try to answer as many as possible. Also, if you want us to make more such videos on this playlist, especially for getting a job in Canada, let us know in the comment section so that we'll try to create more videos.
So please stay tuned, and we're going to be keeping you informed of much more videos like this. So thank you so much, and take care, you guys. Bye.